At Cojali, we ensure the traceability of our viscous fan clutches during their production process. Both the components forming the clutch and their final assembly undergo strict quality controls, properly registered in our ERP. Next, all components are properly stored and codified. Due to the wide variety of references that Cojali has in its product portfolio, in our warehouse we have around 2,500 component references. When a production order is processed in our production line, this one is linked through a production code to an assembly box, where each one of the components is stored to be assembled afterwards in the production line. During the component supply process, in order to guarantee traceability, the operator ensures by means of the barcode scanner that the parts selected are indeed those that appear in the production order. Once the clutch is assembled, the production code, which is associated to the box, is carved on it with a laser marking system. Through this process, all the information associated to each one of the components that form the clutch is linked to a production code of the assembled product.